In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an external account to Bank of America. Whether you want to manage multiple accounts more efficiently or simply need to consolidate your financial activities, linking an external account can be a fantastic way to streamline your banking needs. It might seem tricky at first, but I assure you, with these simple steps, you'll have it set up in no time. First, you'll want to open your Bank of America mobile app and sign into your account. For those who haven't yet downloaded the app, you can easily find it on both the App Store and Google Play Store. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard. This is your starting point, your personal financial hub. At the bottom of the screen, you'll notice a menu. Go ahead and tap on Transfer Zelle. This will lead you to the transfer options within the app. Now, this is where you'll either tap to from other banks, external accounts, or choose the add account option. Both paths serve the same purpose, to begin the process of linking your external account to your Bank of America profile. It's important to pick the one that appears, as sometimes slight updates in the app interface might change the phrasing. Next, have your external bank details ready because you'll need to enter the routing number and the account number of your external bank. Accuracy here is crucial, so double check these numbers before proceeding. Following this, you'll be prompted to specify whether this external account is a checking or a savings account. Once you make your selection, tap Continue to move forward. At this point, you'll have a chance to review all the details you've entered. Double check everything, as any mistakes here might lead to inconveniences down the line. Upon confirming that all is in order, you'll proceed to link the accounts. There's a possibility that you may need to verify this new external account. Often, banks send small deposits to your external account as a security measure. So keep an eye out for those tiny transactions and follow the provided instructions to verify them. Once you've completed these verifications, which might take a few days, your external bank account will appear as part of your transfer list. This new linkage means sending and receiving funds between your Bank of America account and your external one just got easier. To wrap it up, always remember, linking accounts is not just a useful tool for transactions. It helps give you a wider perspective on your financial landscape. Just ensure this connection fits your financial strategy and enjoy the ease it brings. Thank you for following along, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful tutorials.